Okay, as you know, this was the second reboot that I had to do because of this. And as Microsoft suggested, we had to set this value to 2 and then another reboot. So let's see if that one is going to work this time. Let's get back to Microsoft Store. I'm going to search for Kali Linux and then just type in Kali here. And then the list is going to open up here. It says installed here. The one that I was looking before, it was not saying installed. It says open, but Kali Linux, this is there. And you could also do a Kali Linux here and then search for app. And that is the one that is available. So let's see if the registry was causing problem because we were clicking on the wrong number list or maybe the right one. Yeah, this is still failing with this error. So let's see Kali by searching. I'm trying to be helpful and then just have a positive attitude towards these ones, but it doesn't help. It just keep failing. You can see here it's going to say the registry information is there. So apparently the registry option that we did on here, it is just failing for this version. What I'm going to do on this one is going to try a different system to see if maybe that Kali Linux is causing a problem, because after I clean it up, it's still a problem. And we went to uninstall it and everything is still the issue. I want to try it one more time from the command line and see if the command line succeed or not. It's going to fail for sure. So WSL that set the default version to 2 and then say I'm going to also try the options of activating again because of the documentation we followed here. I'm going to set these ones also one more time. And then if the version 2 is still fails, then I'll try also version 1 and see if we succeed on that sense. So that is done. And then the last one is this option of deployment image system and servicing management. And so copy this one and paste it on this line here. And then the set default option was already done here. But if it does require how many times I have to reboot, it does not make sense that it is requiring that many times with the reboot. And then this one it will spin off already installed. So why is it says already installed and is still failing? Let's see if the blue screen is going to show up. Now it is not bringing up the blue screen. So I'm going to not say that this. I'm going to try the -L, and then say running is there. I don't have a distribution called Kali Linux. And it is not there. So why is it says installed, but it is not? Somehow it is finding it there. So what I could do is right click here, go under the installed apps, and then just remove it again. It is not good. Integration of Microsoft and Linux is not as easily configurable such as app. There are times that you just do it on the fly, it works, and then when it doesn't work, you have to go in the registry and then the reboot it is not doing it. So right here is the one I'm gonna say uninstall it. Notice it's gonna disappear from here. Now we don't have it here anymore, and then I'm going to try the install option again here. It is installing it right now. Let's see if this time succeed or not. And then that blue screen that shows up here, and this one eventually will go to the registry. If, yeah, registry, looks like the version that we're using with the set option is a problem. But even with that one, I set it to 1 and then it still didn't work. So I'm going to go to registry, control, Windows and registry, and then go to that option. I'm gonna set the start to 1 because the 2 did not work. I'm gonna do the subsystem and then maybe another reboot. That's not good. And so let's do this one, Linux distribution, and then this will just fail because of the reboot. I'm just doing it to help you guys out because if you just keep trying and then get nowhere, it might be very tough on you. But with a little bit more experience, sometimes I can get it working. So let's see. Yeah, another reboot is required.